You may have seen the new questions feature on Instagram stories of people you follow. Want to learn more about it? You've come to the right place. I'm Jessica from techboomers.com, and in this video, I'll be showing you how to use the new Instagram story questions sticker feature. Now let's get started. To ask a question on your story or invite your followers to ask you questions, tap the camera icon in the top left corner. Then, snap a new picture or video, or swipe upwards to upload one from your device's camera roll. To add the question box, tap the sticker icon at the top. Then, tap Questions. Now, you can type in the question you want your followers to answer, or write something to invite your followers to ask you questions. Change the color of the question box by tapping one of the colored dots below. Then, tap Done. You can move the question box around as you do with any other sticker. You can only have one of these question boxes per post. When you're ready, tap Your Story at the bottom to share it. Once you've posted it, your followers can respond to your post by tapping the question sticker on your story and typing in the question they want to ask, or their response to a question you've asked. To see the responses to your post, open your story, then tap the profile icons in the bottom left corner. Above the list of users that have viewed your post, you'll see all the responses. The responses are not anonymous, so you'll be able to see the usernames of those who've responded to your post. All responses to your post will disappear along with the story after 24 hours. To reply to one of the responses, tap it. You can then choose to respond privately by selecting Send Message, or respond publicly on your story by tapping Share Response. You can then snap a video and explain your reply to that user out loud, or take a photo and add text to give your reply. When you post this on your story to show your other followers, the username of the person who sent the response will not be visible. That's everything you need to know about the new Instagram Story question sticker feature. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below. Check out techboomers.com for over 100 free courses on all of today's most popular websites, apps, and devices.